So everybody know I'm not with TLC anymore. So I'm with the Xetrim, which is my daily choice, and this is actually great. I felt lighter, went to the bathroom, but ultimately I had a lot of energy, but it also gives mental clarity. So if you want to try it, it's $25 for a 5-day supply, and I'll ship it to you. You take it for 5 days and let me know how you feel. So I'm gonna show you how to make it. So it's a convenient sachet that you can just take with you. Now I use Marvelous Water, which is a Black-owned water company. Black-owned water company. This is falling. Okay. Black-owned water company. Okay. Black-owned. Okay. Black-owned water company. So. Take a little sip of it. Got my little cup here. And these are easy and convenient to open up. Let me just cut it. Okay. Herbs. It's a herb called guava. I think it is. A herb called guava in it. And it gives mental clarity, weight loss, energy, and helps go to the bathroom. Okay, so I'm gonna shake this up. Okay, put some ice. Got a little bit of ice cubes here. Okay, got some ice cubes here. Got some ice here. I'm just gonna put some ice cubes in it. Okay, because this drink is really refreshing. Some people put lemonade in it. If they want, they can put lemonade, whatever they want to put in it, they can. And then I just have my little bowl, put some berries in it. Nothing crazy. Just put little berries in it, just to give it that little extra kick. To give it that little extra kick. Okay, do this. All right, get that little extra kick. And this is a Black-owned water company, alkaline water. So I think alkaline water is the best. Okay, and then all I'm gonna do is just pour it in. And I'm going to a party tonight, so I'm gonna need energy. And I first was thinking, I was like, wild berry. I don't like wild berry, but this tastes actually good. Okay, so this is my new drink. Okay, and you take it on the go. Take it to work. You want a refreshing drink, you take it on the go with you. And of course, sip and go. So, I'm going to need energy today. So, and this is also appetite suppressant. So, this is a great drink. So, you can try it out because right now we're out of stock. Because everybody wants it. We're literally out of stock right now. So you can try 5 for $25. I have some. And you can try it. Take it with you. A refreshing drink. It only has 10 calories. In it. Appetite suppressant. Has that herb called guava that gives you energy. Also helps you to lose weight. They say most people losing like a pound a day, drinking 2 of these a day. So click on the link below or DM me on Instagram and I'll send you a week's supply.